So if you're a new agent or an experienced agent in a new market, one of the best ways to learn that market is to go on broker tours. What's a broker tour, you ask? Well, in today's video, we're gonna find out. Say hello to the vlog, Peter.
Oh no.
Hello,
good morning. You ready to go?
Yeah,
Sorry.
ready, let's go. Okay, so I'm in the car with Mike Young and Caitlin McCabe. They are agents with Cheese International, and we are going on the Incline Village broker tour. What are these tours all about, and why do you keep going on them after, what, 30 years?
Over 30 years, yeah. So we always do these on Tuesday mornings. It's a way for agents to go out and see new listings that have come on the market. Plus there's a lot of storytelling. You know, people will tell you if their seller's motivated or there's some special opportunity.
I love going on the tour because I get to see all the new listings that are available before pretty much anyone else gets to see them. I know what my clients are looking for, and if I walk into a house on the tour, I can be like, oh, this is the perfect house for them.
So we're going to see, I think, 17 houses or 14 houses today. So we're off and running.
All right.
What did you guys think of that place?
Pretty nice on the golf course. It seemed a little small. How much was that?
1948.
It's not bad for being right on the golf course.
This is this cheapest house on tour at $645.
$645.
I thought that house was absolutely darling.
Very cute.
How's the price?
Price is
It's a
good.
low end of the scale.
You know, exploring the whatever.
Look at the whoopee deck going up. Snow pushed it out.
Oh yeah.
It has a nice big lot, but there are tons of trees, so there's not very much view. It's been a rental and it just is worn down, but it has like the bones of a really nice home. So if someone wanted to come in there and put like $300,000 or $400,000 into it, it could be absolutely beautiful. Yeah,
Pretty good square footage.
has a lot of potential, but it needs a lot of work.
The old days of hot tubs.
Underside of hot tub, in case you ever wanted to know what that looked like. Are we gonna make it through every house?
Absolutely.
Oh my gosh.
We're gonna keep moving.
So pretty.
Hi, girls.
So do you guys have a favorite so far?
So far, this one is my favorite. Last week on tour, there was this one, and they're totally, completely different units.
You know, there's 3 of them in there now, so those are pretty good values. You know, for freestanding units. All fixed up, tricked out.
What's the price?
That one's $1,795,000, I think it is.
I think if they repainted it to lighter colors, it would really brighten it up in here.
Jane, say hi to the vlog.
Hi, good morning. I'm at this lovely listing in Incline Village.
Then you go into the house and this.
Hey, how are you?
So back in the 80s when energy efficiency, solar and all that kind of stuff was, you got bonuses for it. This was one of those houses they built. So basically they pointed it towards the sun and trapped the heat. They weren't very functional.
Mike, are we behind schedule?
So much going on in this place. Look. Cindy's Muffins, best around.
Dishwashers, big store.
That's a lot of house for the price, 1.8.
I think.
And there's quite a bit of square footage. You have the 3 floors and the potential of having an elevator.
It's a tough driveway.
Oh yeah.
Slide for life.
That's sunny.
Bang your bottom here, you probably need to reshape it. Here you could bottom out.
See, that's the kind of stuff you learn when you're out on tour with experienced realtors in Incline Village, where you're gonna bottom out, which drive you like in the winter. Good stuff. This is what happens to the front of your house sometimes in a heavy snow year.
The deck pulled the siding and everything right off the front. The one on Tyner came back on the market at $700,000 more than what they bought it for 18 months ago. This is a classic house with a metal roof. Now what would you think, looking at that roof, the problem is going to be?
Snow falling on your head when you walk in the door?
Yeah, burying the whole front stairway.
Oh, and then there's that.
Roof shedding snow. What was that reaction?
Already done, let's go.
So low ceilings, not a favorite feature.
Nope.
No,
Caitlin, how long have you been selling real estate?
for 2 years. I was super interested in architecture when I was growing up. And so being in real estate gives me freedom, and I get to work with people and help them find the home of their dreams and be able to enjoy the same qualities of life that I enjoy from living here.
Mike, how long have you been at this?
Oh, long time. Almost 39 years, I guess. You've seen this little one. This is that little cutesy duck.
Yeah, I saw that.
We don't have to go in.
No, you can skip.
485.
A hoop.
Oh, that should be good. So Mike, what do you like about the business?
Well, I think it's the independence part of it. Yeah, you sort of have to do it 7 days a week, but you can take off time. And it's an education process. I was a school teacher, so
Oh, wow.
this is just sort of an extension of teaching people about areas and histories and different kind of houses and all that.
May I get your door, sir?
Thank you, thank you.
Or this, Diane. Could you handle that?
I could,
I could handle that.
except for the power lines. Cool floor. Wow. So you like this house?
I love this house. I want it.
Road noise, can you handle?
What do you think, Mike?
You do hear traffic.
Well, what'd you say? I can't hear you.
I'm like, where are we going? Oh yeah, the garage. Okay, so we're going to see the $16 million lakefront next?
Yep, that's next.
Woohoo! Okay, so now we're going to the big house on tour. $16 million lakefront. Let's go. Ta-da! Say hi to the vlog. Hello.
Gotta go to the garage.
Oh, right, I forgot.
Our garage. Mother-in-law unit. Ex-wife.
What'd you think of that one?
A little dated.
Not too bad though. You can be old and you can still look good.
What? Say hi to the vlog.
Oh, here comes the camera crew.
It's Megan. Yay!
Welcome to McLeod.
I think there's only 8 in the whole complex.
Yeah.
Of this kind of format.
Of this floor plan.
Look over the driveway.
What's the square footage?
I want to say it's right around 1764, something like that.
Nice.
Most of them are 1111.
But so I go on tours like today and I pick out the things that I think they would like, especially if I think it's a super good value, like that one on Jennifer. I have 2 clients that I'm going to send that to today because I think that it would be perfect and it wasn't something they necessarily would consider. And that's what I love about going on tours, because you see pictures online and it doesn't look like something you would like, but then you go to the house and you get to see what the house looks like and it fits perfectly.
Okay, broker tours. Now you see why realtors go on them. You get to see the actual houses, you get to talk to other realtors about values, you get some of the inside scoop sometimes on what the seller's gonna take or what the story is. You're gonna know more about that property because you've been there and you've seen it, and you can actually give some of them the heads up on it. So if you like this content, please give us a thumbs up and definitely subscribe because there's more to come.
I think sure it'd be lovely to have the lakefront, you know. If I already won the $100 million lottery, that would be.
Let's get right on that.
there's 7-Eleven. Let's get some tickets.